A spanner in the works. Porsche's high-end headache. Carhelpout.com. A simple way to get a mobile mechanic to come to you at any location at your convenience. Porsche, the name customer confidence. But first, let's be clear. This is a serious issue, and Porsche owners need to take immediate action. Ensuring the safety of drivers and passengers is paramount, and addressing this defect promptly is essential.
So, which of Porsche's prized models
Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What exactly is wrong with these Porsches that's causing their wheels to come loose? It's a question that has been puzzling many car enthusiasts and mechanics alike. The culprit is a faulty batch of central locking nuts. These small but vital components are failing under pressure. These nuts are absolutely crucial, as they're the only thing holding the wheel securely to the car. Without them, the wheel would simply fall off. Imagine a Formula One pit stop. The precision and speed are incredible. The mechanics use a high-powered impact wrench to tighten those central locking nuts in a matter of seconds. Every second counts, and every nut must be perfect. Now imagine those nuts not being up to scratch. The consequences could be dire. Instead of holding the wheel tight, they could fail, causing the wheel to detach at speed. Not a pretty picture. This could happen without any warning. This isn't just about a flat tire or a bit of a wobble. It's a serious safety issue. We're talking about a complete loss of control of the vehicle, which could lead to a serious accident. The driver would have no way to steer or stop the car safely. Think about the forces involved when you're driving a high-performance car at speed. The stress on every component is immense. If a wheel detaches, the consequences could be catastrophic. Lives could be at risk, and the damage could be extensive.
Customers. Porsche knows that their reputation is on the line, and they're doing everything they can to rectify the situation.
Is your Porsche safe? Here's how to check. Now, if you're a Porsche owner, you're probably sweating a bit right now, wondering if your pride and joy is one of the affected vehicles. Don't worry, checking is easy. First, locate your car's VIN. It's a 17-character code that's like your car's fingerprint. You can find it on your V5C registration document, on a plate at the base of the windscreen, or on the driver's side door jamb. Once you have your VIN, head over to the Porsche website. They've set up a dedicated recall section where you can enter your VIN to see if your car is affected. It's a simple and straightforward process that takes less time than it takes to polish your Porsche's bonnet.
The global impact, a recall of grand proportions. While the UK recall affects over 1,000 vehicles, the issue is not limited to British shores. It's a global recall with thousands more Porsches affected worldwide. This highlights the complexities of modern car manufacturing processes and the potential for issues to arise even with the most stringent quality control measures in place. Porsche is working closely with regulatory bodies around the world to manage the recall efficiently. They're contacting affected owners and providing regular updates on the evolving situation.
Porsche's pledge, regaining trust, one wheel at a time. This recall is undoubtedly a blow for Porsche, but it's not the end of the road. The company is committed to regaining the trust of its customers and ensuring that all affected vehicles are made safe.
Carhelpout.com.
Porsche has a
It's the
long and storied
convenience.
history of building some of the finest cars in the world. This recall, while serious, is a bump in the road. By taking swift action, communicating transparently, and providing exceptional customer service, Porsche aims to steer its way out of this crisis and continue its legacy of automotive excellence. Remember, folks, safety first. Get those wheels checked.
Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and
It's the
hassle.
convenience.
We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else,
Carhelpout.com.
we can help you with
It's the
PPI
convenience.
inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.